Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Got a brand new 2020 model year Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard that just came in. Beautiful boat in all white. Comes with the trailer you see below it there, swing tongue galvanized. Super lightweight package so you can tow up behind pretty much any SUV that you have. Powered with a Mercury 115 horse. Plenty of power to get you and your friends and family out on the water fast, participating in those water sports. As you can see, you've got a ski pylon there as well. Pull a tube, get some skiers out. This boat has the dual seating on the port side with a full captain's chair at the helm, as well as the Simrad chart plotter in the center. Great stereo system throughout. Very clean and simple, rinse and go boat for low maintenance. You even have a plug right here on the port side of the motor. Plug in a hose, don't even need to run the engine, flush her out, cover it up, also comes with a cover, and you're good to go for the day. Fun boat, fast boat. You guys have any other questions, please give me a call, text, or shoot me an email. My information's below. Thanks.